Shenzhen ADTEK Technology Company Limited was established in 2007, is a leading professional manufacturer and exporter from China. With over 12 years' experience in the export market, ADTEK has been continually growing and expanding the product lines to keep up the pace of industry trends, leading network connection products and solutions. Ultra-large bandwidth, ultra-low loss, ultra-high speed, 400G network connection for the next generation. Over the years, ADTEK has been adhering to the concept of professional quality, cooperation, and win-win future, and has continuously adopted advanced production equipment and management experience to closely follow the industry trends. As the world's top operator and data center service partner, 15 professional R&D engineers and 2 engineering teams focus on industry pain points, tailor solutions for customers to keep up with the latest technological developments, and professional PMC talents provide customers with first-class product. Meanwhile, we support our beverage distribution partners to gain more market share with good profitability. Our products include various fiber jumpers, connectors, and adapters, jumper boards, Cat5e and Cat6 LAN cables.